Conference, make no mistake. This Welsh Labour government is opposed to the trade union bill, and we will fight it, and we will work with our trade union colleagues to defeat it or frustrate it in whatever way we can. Conference, in Wales, we value public services, so we work in social partnership with employers and trades unions. In England, a junior hospital doctors strike, not in Wales. In England, firefighters' pensions in dispute, not in Wales. In England, no hope for Remploy workers when their factories closed. In Wales, with the support of our trade union colleagues, 200 Remploy workers' jobs saved across Wales through the Employer Support Grant. Conference, the trades union bill is damaging, divisive, and risks undermining public services and the economy. And it breaches the devolution settlement because public services are devolved in Wales. And the leaked letter from the UK government minister last week demonstrates that the UK government's own lawyers actually agree with us that they have a very weak case when it comes to Wales. And of course they have a weak case because of the groundbreaking work that was done by Mick Anthony, Unite and others on the Agricultural Workforce Act, which has stepped the legal framework through the Supreme Court ruling to enable us to take the stance that we have done. So this Welsh Labour government led the National Assembly for Wales in voting against a legislative consent motion to allow the UK government to legislate on our behalf in respect of several clauses of the bill. But clearly all of the clauses of the bill will impact on Wales. As Dave Bazina said, we also have major issues with clauses 10 and 11 on trade union political funds and expenditure. They will have a significant impact on Labour Party finances, reducing Labour Party income by up to £8 million a year, and they are fundamentally unfair because in reality, this is political party funding legislation being taken through Parliament through the back door. This bill impacts on Labour Party funding while not addressing significant issues for broader party funding, such as donation caps or spending limits. So what are we going to do about the trade union bill? Two things. First, we're working with Labour members of the House of Lords like Eluned Morgan and Peter Hain to amend the bill. And I thank them for their support for our position in the House of Lords. But second, Conference, I give you this guarantee. If the Tories force the trade union bill through, then the next Welsh Labour government will bring a bill forward before this summer to reverse the trade union bill's impact in Wales. And we will dare the Tory government to take us to the Supreme Court over our repeal bill. So, Conference, we're fighting this bill every way we can. We're fighting it in the House of Lords. We fought it in the National Assembly. We'll bring forward our own proposals to reverse it if we have to do that. That's this Welsh Labour government working with our trades union colleagues together for Wales.